And it's from the first half. Nicoy Christian to Peter McGregor. And he hits the money spot. McGregor does. 1-0 in the first half. Still 1-0 in the game. That's the Sportsmax app moment. Download the Sportsmax app now to watch all the best. The NBA, Champions League.
Bailey inside, lovely stuff. Back to Bailey. Oh, cracking finish. Kimoni Bailey. Oh, that's emphatic.
Top finish. Started with him here, Bailey. Lovely back pass, and look at that for finish. Definitely strong on the left side, Bailey, but this was a top finish with the right foot. Assist for Powell. Oh, that's a lovely finish into the far corner. And even though the outstanding season that Vino Bartlett has had, he couldn't stop that. Saved 2 penalties, but not that.
Wonderful stuff. Atkinson on it now for Cavalier. Can they pull a goal back in this tie? Atkinson! Oh, that's majestic! Dwayne Atkinson with a peach of a strike. A strike for the champions in this tie. They've pulled the goal back on aggregate. A wonder of a hit from Cavaliers number 10.
Great strike, Dwayne Atkinson. Demario Phillips selling himself into a tackle further up the pitch. It opened up that vacancy on his flank, and what about that for a finish? We spoke about Dwayne Atkinson enjoying open play where he can run at the defenders and how he likes to cut in onto that right foot. Well, he couldn't have done that any better.
Phillips inside to Bygrave. Bygrave! Oh, that's magical! Oh, that's sensational! Pick that one out! Pick that one out! His 12th goal this season! And wow, what a hit!
It's a dozen for Taparoy Bygrave, and this might be the best of them. Look at this for a strike. Well, we've seen some stunning strikes in this playoff period, and none better than that one by a Taparoy Bygrave. Good ball into the box and turn just to give himself some space, carried it out of the 18-yard area, and the pace of it, Vino Bartlett, no chance. Wow.
Irving deliver inside. Oh, that was a free header miss, and here's the shot. Oh, it's rifled home. Kimani Gibbons. Oh, that was a blast and a half. The perfect time to score his first goal this season. Gibbons with a firecracker response for Cavalier.
Excellent delivery into the box yet again from Gedale Irving. And look at this for a strike. Wow, what a volley. And Hyatt beaten for pace, for sure, because it was right above him, but no chance based on the pace. And Kimani Gibbons, not known for goal scoring, gives Cavalier a lifeline. They are just not willing to go away.
Oh, wonderful stuff by Cavalier. Can they get a goal here? Give us inside, and it puts across the line. It's Ronaldo Webster. It may have been his first touch since coming on as a sub. And Cavalier, the champions, they have turned it around. Webster with his 3rd goal this season. And my oh my, never ever write off the champions.
Well, Kimani Gibbons, who isn't known for his attacking prowess, a goal and a lovely ball into the box. Look at that for an assist. It wasn't the easiest finish by Webster either. Lovely flick by Kenroy Campbell, we thought was off. Great build-up play. And well, you asked for another goal of quality. There it is.
That's one of the best team goals you'll see all season.
That was a good finish by Webster. on a contract for the rest of the season.
It has gone through to Bygrave. Bygrave! His second goal of the game. His 13th this season. Roy Bygrave. Oh, what a wonder he's been this season for Dunbeholden. And they level it up on the night, and they lead on aggregate.
Well, that will help him in Vietnam. Great finish at Roy Bygrave. Good strength there. Very easy to miscue that because of the pressure. But that was a thumping finish by Roy Bygrave, and he's now the joint leading goal scorer with Daniel Green in the Premier League. And his flips are back.
From rejection to redemption against a team that dumped him, which seemed like years ago, many years ago. He has scored twice against Cavalier on this semi-final night. King can go himself. Oh! Crown him king! Crown him king! That is amazing! Where did that come from? This is an absolutely insane match! Richard King! Oh, he will never hit a better one than that in his entire life! What a game, Chris Taylor! What a game!
Well, 7 goals on the night, and outstanding goals continue to be scored. Richard King almost looked awkward when he was dribbling forward, and who knew he would have produced a strike like that? It looked like a natural dribbler, Richard King. But Damien Hyatt, no chance. Wow, 3rd of the season for Richard King, and there's something about that